Judgment on whether 6th Republican President Edgar Lungu should be buried in Zambia or South Africa has been scheduled for today, Friday, 8th of August 2025 in Pretoria High Court. Salabida mashoko buda pangwa ina Iowa today. John Constitution has been set as the Judgment Day. Iowa in the burial Edgar Lungu. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Do you know now the ruling is set for 11:30 and will be delivered in open court, according to a notice issued by the Registrar Joanna Hefner. The development follows arguments presented on Monday, 4th of August 2025, by legal representatives of the Zambian government and the family of the late president. Lawyers for the Zambian government requested a court declaration granting authority to return President Lungu's body to Zambia for a state-led funeral and burial at the Embassy Park in Lusaka. Plans for President Lungu's burial, originally scheduled for June, were put on hold following a mutual agreement by both parties pending the court's final ruling. In its submissions, the government argued that although President Lungu lost his retirement benefits after re-entering active politics, his disqualification ceased upon his death, making him once again eligible for state honors, including state funerals. On 24 June 2025, Attorney General Mulilo Kabesha filed an urgent application on public interest grounds, seeking to hold the private burial arrangements by the Lungu family in South Africa, pending the outcome of a full hearing held on 4th August. Mr. Kabesha based the application on Article 1775C of the Zambian Constitution, which authorizes the Attorney General to intervene in matters of national interest. He argued that former heads of state must be laid to rest in Zambia with the full military honors, as was the case with the founding president Kenneth Kaunda. Leo mashoko ari kupangwa ine zvara nhasi takamira kuti aiwa the judgment panguva ino ichabuda ichinzi kudii from the high court. Pinda comment section yedu dzimafunguro emo tulipa pamusoro penhau. Pinda comment section yedu, so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.